Welcome to Linda's Art and Craft. Hi friends. In today's video, I am going to show you how to transform this loose shirt into a nice top. So let's get started. We begin by inverting the shirt. We want the wrong side out. So now I have the wrong side out. This black, this is my wrong side. Now we'll remove this collar. We don't want it. So we'll nicely and carefully cut the collar out. So now I have cut the collar out. The collar is gone. Now we'll give a nice shape to our top. I'm giving it a boat shape. First I'm marking it with a pencil. And now we'll cut this out. We'll give it a nice boat shape like this. My back neck is little shorter than my front neck. Now we have to hem this neck. For hemming, you just have to fold twice like this and give it a stitch. One fold, two fold, and then give it a stitch. Now we'll cut the sleeves out. I don't like long sleeves, so I'm cutting my sleeves out. This is 4 inch. So I'm marking at 4 inches. Now I'm marking it all the way down. I'm drawing a line all the way down, and now we'll cut the sleeves out. You can give the sleeves your desired length. I like short sleeves, so I've kept the sleeves short. Now we finish the sleeves by hemming the edges. For this we have to fold twice, one fold and then second fold and stitch. Now take any t-shirt or top that fits you properly and then place it on top of the shirt like this. And now we'll mark the sides. Using a chalk or a crayon, we'll mark the sides, both sides. Now we stitch along these lines. Our top is ready. Nobody will believe that this was a shirt, isn't it? It looks, I removed the collar, I trimmed the sleeves, and now our top is ready. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. For more videos, subscribe my channel and don't forget to share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you again with another video. Till then, it's Linda signing off. Bye.